The topic of today's video is how to make animated circles in Davinci Resolve. So we use this to highlight things all the time. So first thing that you want to do is head over to the Fusion tab. And what we want to do in Fusion is move over to the background option, and you can just click on that. And then we want to make some distance between our media 1 and our background. And then click on your background and then click on paint. Okay, cool. Now we want to go back to clicking on the background, and we want to open the inspector on the top right and drop the alpha channel so we can have transparency in the background. Then we want to jump back over to our paint, and we're going to choose the stroke option on top of the playback window, and then go to stroke controls on the inspector, change stroke animation to right on and duration to 30. And then from there, if you want to, you can change the color from white. I'm going to change it to red. And then all we need to do is draw our circle. So now you'll see on the playback window, there are a ton of little keyframe lines there, and that will be the animation. So when you play it back, you'll see your circle being drawn. So when we're done, we want to go to the Deliver tab. Set up your file name and its save location in Browse. Format we can leave on QuickTime, or you can set it to QuickTime if it's not. And the codec we want to change to DNxHR, just so that it's not compressed when we try to load it into whatever project. And then export alpha. Then you can go to add to render queue and render all. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.